Okay, Rampa da Guia. Guia ramp. So that was our Guia Hill lighthouse that we weren't able to get into today because we just missed it. It's already past 5:30. It's 5:45. That's our little dragon sculpt. So basically what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna angle our way down and come off the mountain and then get back into the city and go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. City and see what we can see. So yeah, we're gonna start at Rampa da Guia, and I think we can just keep navigating. That's my plan, is keep navigating downward until we can get down to who knows where. It looks like the best way to go down is just follow what we're doing right now. Kind of like a little urban jungle, right? Surrounded by oxygen. Feels great in the city. So that's one of the beautiful things about city life, is you get, you know, this kind of concentration of oxygen right next to a concentration of carbon dioxide. So anyways, we're going to keep on strolling down, and then once we go down, we're going to navigate back to the main road. And the main road is up here already. And I don't know if you've watched some of my other videos, but if you have, I'm going to come out to a spot that I filmed not too long ago. So you're going to get a view of that shortly. And also another thing about this particular spot is this is one of the best spots to watch the Grand Prix. I'll show you that spot too in a minute. You can park your bikes here. Yeah, when I first moved to Macau, I would come up to this space and then I'd go stand where I'm going to show you in a minute. And then it was like one of the a free spot to watch the Grand Prix cars come around the corners. It's like it's going to rain. Lots of people running today, huh? All these runners today. A lot of people running today. So this space right here, straight ahead, this is the racetrack. It's a regular road, but then in the Grand Prix they'll cut off all of the streets for I think about 2 weeks. I think they start to prepare, and then they actually have it. And so actually you can see some people kind of going along, but they'll put all the bumpers along that way too. So this whole space, this whole street will be open during the Grand Prix, because you can still exercise and do everything up on that hill like you would any other time. But this street will be kind of open until you get down here. So sometimes there'll be some people kind of crowded around watching it. They'll put some gates so you can't get any further, so you have to go down. There's a little path on the right to bypass a little bit of stuff. But anyways, this is basically what this whole space looks like. You got some nice residential right there as well. Nice, really nice residential. Okay, let me see if I can. We're starting to get some of the rain. And there's a nice building too. It's a really nice one. There it is right there. I think this has some historical value, but I couldn't tell you what it is. It's probably a sign. United Nations University. Oh, okay. United Nations University. I looked into this before. If you want to work for United Nations University, it's I think it doesn't pay very well, and you have to have a PhD, and then you basically study some really cool stuff. Okay, so it's gonna be a little tricky to navigate. And so I did another video standing over there not too long ago. Let's see, this is going to be hard to get across this one. So Calçada de Vitória. I don't know if you remember that other video, but I showed you this one called Playmates Club, and this is a hotel. So this is like the only strip bar in the city. Just kind of an interesting aside for people that might be interested. But anyways, I filmed in this spot and I came over here and I filmed down that way a little bit, and this was a little bit hard to navigate because yeah, and actually the Grand Prix comes up here too, but you have to walk along this somewhat dangerous space, right? But we're gonna walk it today, and we'll see how well we can do with this one. And I think this one over here is the Muslim cemetery, I think. Yeah, and we're gonna get caught in some rain as well. Dang it. Let's just see if we can run across. Yep, this is the Muslim cemetery. That is right there. Muslim cemetery. So we'll just stop it right here, I guess. And I'll be walking some more stuff soon. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.